If you think medicine is the only way to heal your body, think again. There are foods that repair your cells, reduce pain, fight inflammation, and boost immunity faster than most medicines, and today, understanding natural healing. Your body is not kept alive by medicines, it's kept alive by nutrients. Medicines treat symptoms. Food treats the root cause. When you eat the right healing foods, inflammation goes down. Your cells repair faster, your immunity strengthens, your energy rises, your body starts healing on its own. Think of food as information. Every bite sends a message to the brain and cells. Heal me or harm me. Today, we choose foods that say, heal me. Healing food ginger, fastest anti-inflammatory. Ginger works faster than painkillers for many people because it attacks the root, inflammation. Benefits: reduces joint pain, arthritis, heals gut issues, bloating, gas, boosts immunity, works like natural antibiotic, reduces nausea instantly. How to use: 1 cup ginger tea in morning. Add raw ginger to food. Take 1 small slice after meals. It improves blood flow and removes toxins, a natural internal healing. Healing food: turmeric, black pepper. Turmeric alone is powerful, but when mixed with black pepper, absorption increases 2,000%. This combo works like natural anti-inflammatory medicine. Benefits: reduces body pain, repairs damaged cells, supports liver health, purifies blood, excellent for skin healing. How to use: 1 teaspoon turmeric plus, pinch black pepper in warm milk, add to food daily, make golden drink before sleep. Healing food: berries, blueberry, strawberry, mulberry. Berries are called nature's healing capsules. Benefits: high antioxidants, repair cells, reduce aging, improve memory, protect the heart, strengthen immunity. Berries heal faster because they stop oxidative stress, which is the root of most diseases. How to use: 1 bowl every day. Smoothie with yogurt. Evening snack: healing food, garlic, natural antibiotic, stronger than many medicines. Garlic contains allicin, a compound so powerful it is compared to medical antibiotics. Benefits: fights infections, naturally opens blocked arteries, lowers blood pressure, cleans gut harmful bacteria, supports liver detox. How to use: 1 clove raw in morning or mix with honey, add to meals. Raw garlic starts working in minutes. Healing food: beetroot, blood and muscle healer. This is the most underrated healing food. Benefits: boosts blood flow, increases oxygen in body, heals weakness and fatigue, improves stamina, supports heart function, reduces inflammation deeply. Beetroot works faster than many supplements because it goes directly into the bloodstream and improves oxygen delivery. How to use: beetroot juice, beetroot salad, mix with carrot for best effect. Healing food: extra virgin olive oil. This oil is like liquid medicine. Benefits: reduces inflammation, protects your heart, improves brain health, repairs blood vessels, helps in weight loss. How to use: 1 TBSP daily, use on salads, add to warm food, not high heat. Bonus: healing food. Water, the original medicine. Dehydration is the hidden cause of headaches, joint pain, acidity, low energy, slow digestion. Drinking enough water makes every other healing food work better. How to use: 6 to 8 glasses a day, start day with 1 big glass, drink before meals. Conclusion: medicines can save you, but food can heal you. If you start adding even 2 or 3 of these healing foods daily, your body will begin to repair itself faster than you expect. Let me know in the comments which food you will start today, and I will guide you personally. Subscribe for daily natural health tips by Dr. Joy. Like and share this video. Comment healing to get the next topic.